If you've been searching for a mobile clinic, you probably know that there's a lot of used options available. And the prices, they look tempting, right? Why spend over $160,000 for a brand new clinic when you could buy one that is used for much less? But there is a catch. Those savings, they don't always last. In fact, used mobile clinics actually drain your money and your time more than you would think. Let me explain. I get it. On paper, buying used makes a lot of sense. The layout is already there, the vehicle is ready to go, and you can be up and running fast. For community groups and healthcare providers on a tight budget, it feels like a shortcut. But here are the top 5 problems that you can face with a used mobile clinic. Problem number 1, extra maintenance costs, they add up fast. A used mobile clinic may look cheaper up front, but an older vehicle generally requires a lot more maintenance to keep it running. For example, tires, suspension, HVAC, all of these components have seen years of use, and fixing or replacing these parts gets expensive very fast. And without proper documentation, you don't know how well that last organization treated the mobile clinic. And not to mention the medical equipment that can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars to replace. And every time the vehicle's in the shop, your services are delayed. Those extra costs and lost days add up, and what seemed like a bargain is no longer a bargain anymore. Problem number 2, the layout may not fit your organization's needs. When you buy used, you're stuck with a layout that someone else designed, and chances are their needs are a lot different to yours. You may end up with no exam bed for patients, no desk space for admin work, and a lack of proper storage for your medical supplies. You end up playing Tetris with people and equipment, which slows you down, makes it uncomfortable, and can even create safety issues. Now you're stuck trying to remodel it for your needs, wiping out the original savings of buying used. Problem number 3, a used mobile clinic may lack the technology that you need. Healthcare has changed a lot over the years, and so has the technology that goes along with it. Older mobile clinics are built around the equipment and the standards of their time. This could mean no internet connection to run your EMR system, no spot to plug in equipment or charge a tablet, no space for updated medical gear, and poor lighting or outdated electrical systems. If you can't access your patient records, provide telehealth, or use your equipment and diagnostics, then you're turning patients away. Problem number 4, hidden damage and repairs can drain your budget fast. The tough part about buying used is you don't always know what you're getting. Even if it looks good on the outside, there could be hidden damages on the inside. Rust, water leaks, and other damages sometimes don't come across in pictures. Faulty wiring can pose serious risk to your patients or staff, and water-damaged cabinets are at risk of falling apart. And broken HVAC systems can leave your mobile unit freezing in Canadian winters. These issues are not always easy to spot in the initial look around. Then you're suddenly paying for big repairs that eat up your budget. Buying used was meant to save your program money, now it's actually costing you more. Problem number 5, no warranty or very limited warranty leaves you exposed. The warranty will differ based on the chassis, the equipment, or the outfit, but you know you're covered when something breaks down. When you buy used, you're likely past those warranty dates. This means that when something breaks down, you have to pay the repairs out of pocket. This means unexpected bills and downtime, no support from the seller, and difficulty getting parts and service for older models. Without a solid warranty, your investment feels even riskier. A new mobile clinic will avoid all of these headaches. You get a vehicle that's designed for today's standards and a design that will work for your needs, as well as reliable systems that you can count on. It's about peace of mind, consistency, and making sure that your team can focus on care rather than repairs. Yes, the upfront cost is higher. When you spread that cost over extra years of service, fewer repairs and fewer disruptions, it can even save you money in the long run. If you're comparing used versus new, here's the bottom line. Used mobile clinics may look like a bargain, but they end up costing you more in time and more money. A new mobile clinic gives you reliability, warranty, and a van that will fit your needs. If you want to know more about a mobile clinic, check out the link I've got over here. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below the like button. We're always here to help.